Hello everyone, it's pyGuru this side, and today in this tutorial we are going to learn about negative quantity tampering. So in previous tutorials we learned few of the basic price tampering methods. One more method is negative quantity tampering. So let's see how can we do this. So already I have a target website open, indiapowersgift.com, and what I'll do is, first of all, let me just select one product that I want to add. So I'll select, let's say this one, 3699. I'll click on order now and then wait for some time to get this page. So the page is loaded now. What we will do, we'll just keep everything simple. I'll add a random location, like let's say anything. Let's say I'll just search for this and let's say if it's available. So yes, it is available. We'll click on add to cart. We'll not do anything. We'll simply add it to cart. So let it get loaded. Okay, so without doing anything, we'll simply click on add to cart. And we'll simply let it just get added to a cart. Now you see my current cart price is 3699, and here's an option to check out. But what we will do, we'll choose now one more product. So here I'll go. Remember the price. Our price that the item that we've selected is worth 3699. So what we will do, we'll simply select any other product which is close to this price. Okay, let's say I'll select 3245 this product. So again, I'll click on order now for this second product. But for this, we'll be using Burp Suite now to simply change the quantity. Okay, so let me just let this page get loaded. So again, we'll not do anything here. The pin code will be same. We'll click on add to cart. Okay, so let's click on add to cart. Here is the page where we have to do the tampering. So first of all, let's open our Burp Suite, turn on the intercept. Let me check if I have enabled Foxy Proxy. Okay, so Foxy Proxy is enabled. Now before add to cart, what we'll have to do, simply have to modify the request. So click on add to cart. A request will be made to our Burp Suite. Now see here, the request is this. Get method, go to shoppingcart.asp, product ID is this, page name is this, daily charge is 0, item is till time is this, and here is the quantity. Okay, so quantity is basically 1. What I'll do, instead of 1, I'll just make it -1. Okay, and I'll simply forward it and then turn our intercept. So we'll wait for the final shopping cart. So let it get added to the cart. Now we'll have two products. The first one is this item, which is 3699. The second one is this item. But see here, since we have added -1 here, the price was reduced to -3245 multiplied by -1. So final product price is 454 only, instead of something around 6000. It's only reduced to this. You can add more products which multiple products simply, and just change their value to -1. Just make sure that the overall price should remain positive, greater than 0 and positive number. Okay, because since this is an online payment website, will not be able to pay a negative number or 0. So if I click on checkout, you will see our final price will be 454 only that we have to pay. So let it get page loaded. So see here, the final cart value is 454 only. Now I'll suggest you not to make the payment, because while I'm making this video, it's likely that this particular website is fixed already, so you will not be able to purchase this product. So this is it on this negative price quantity tampering bug, guys. If you love this video, leave a like or a dislike, and my channel subscribe it. Thank you. See you in the next tutorial.